Hi guys, this is Desiree with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to ask the question, does vapor honing combine parts washing and surface treatment? Including water in the vapor honing process allows you to clean, strip, and treat parts all at the same time. Vapor honing is not bothered by oily parts, meaning you can drastically reduce processing time. These components do not need pre-treatment before being placed inside of your vapor honing machine. Vapor honing is also not bothered by cutting fluids for CNC machined parts. A vapor honing machine does combine parts washing with surface treatment. And by surface treatment, we mean etching a particular profile to prep for coating or to get a smooth, uniform, polished finish. We do also offer machines that strictly operate as just a parts washer. A parts washer is for those who only require parts washing, meaning knocking off contaminants, oil, and the substrate off of components. This is used if you're not looking for any particular finish. We offer parts washers ranging from 1400 PSI all the way to the Hydroblast Max, offering a PSI of 4000. A parts washer has a heater, which goes up to about 117 degrees and utilizes an aqueous-based detergent. You can also add a heater onto a vapor honing machine. This does convert your machine to 220. So those are the main differences and some similarities between the Hydroblast and the vapor honing machine. For more information, give us a call today or visit our website.